Peace. I'm Dr. Delete, and you're watching Credit Healing. Peace, fam. Welcome back to another video with Credit Healing LLC. Today we're going to be discussing why your scores decrease after you open up a new credit card account. Now, many of my clients that I help them get credit card accounts, personal loans, business loans, etc. And I just received a question from one of my clients. She said, "Hey, I appreciate everything that you've done for me. I've actually purchased a home because of you," and you'll see that right there. And basically, I just recently opened up a credit card account, and I've been paying my bills over time before I opened this particular account. But what happened is my scores decreased around 20 or so points, and I've been making sure that I've been paying all of my bills on time, because one of the things that I teach, I don't just heal people's credit, but I also tell people how to improve their credit and how to stay responsible and on top of everything. So I want to answer this question for our dear sister Monique, that basically when you open up a new credit card account, depending on how many revolving accounts you have, as well as what is the overall age of your account, or your overall accounts, what happens is when you open up a new credit card account, this particular credit card account will be new. Correct? Well, now since it's new, that will then lower the overall age of your average revolving accounts. So because it will lower the overall age, and there's a calculation to that basically it will then reduce your credit scores. Now, don't worry about that. Don't be too concerned, because although your scores have decreased, it doesn't place a charge off or collection account or even a derogatory account besides a hard inquiry on your credit file. So your scores just simply decrease only because when you open up a new account, it reduced to overall or the average age of your revolving accounts. So say, for instance, hypothetically, if you have an overall age or average age of 7 years for your total credit card accounts, well, what happens is that when you open the new revolving account, that overall age will then decrease. Now, I can't tell you what will that algorithm be, only because the overall credit card accounts, it really determines as to how many credit cards you have. If you have 3 or 4 or 5, then that will also be placed into the algorithm as well. So when you open up a new account, then it will be reduced. The overall or average age will then be reduced based on what that new credit card account will then do to your credit score. So I can't tell you exactly what the numbers will be. I'll have to actually look at it, but just let you know that your scores did decrease only because you opened up a new revolving account. So all you have to do, the solution is that all you have to do is just make payments on that credit card over time. After about a year or so, 9 months to a year, you're going to see your scores increase, usually beyond where it was before it fell. It's just that the average accounts and the reduction of that caused this particular occurrence to happen, which is subsequently your credit scores decreasing. So don't be alarmed. Don't be worried. That happens. It's a very normal thing, but your job is simply to pay that credit card over time, and you're going to see your scores increase beyond that. All right, family. So I just want to answer that question for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at credithealing@gmail.com. If you're ready to get started, go to www.credithealing.org. Peace. When I send it off, I'm going to show you the receipt that comes with it, which is the 4th step. So bear with me, family, and stay tuned, and I'll show you exactly what to do.